If you are cold, you should walk with us. You know, when we take a walk, it's really warm, sweat out. It's cold, you know, cold, but it's not. The weather cold like this, but when we walk, it's really enjoy it. You know that? Yeah. What is what is the day that we walk today? Do you remember? 94, 96, 94, or 95? You remember? Yeah, 94 already, right? Today is 95. Yeah. What we walk about, you know that. Walk about peace. Where is the peace? You get some peace in your mind. I hope that, because when we walk, I saw a lot of people. They feel happy. Someone is crying. Someone is so happy. Someone is smiling. Yeah. That the peace begin, but it's not the real peace. Just only the temporary peace. But what we need the permanent peace. Where is the permanent peace? From the mind. If we have like a loving kindness, compassion, the peace is the begin. But where is the loving kindness, compassion from mindfulness? We have to practice about mindfulness. How to? How to we practice about mindfulness? It's really easy and really simple when you start. Start in our body. You know, we have only two things, only mind and body. We have to use our body to practice mindfulness. Focus to the breathe in and breathe out. Usually, we breathe in and breathe out all the time, every day, every minute, every second. We have to breathe, but we never focus, uh, concentrate about that. But when we practice, like every day in the morning or evening or whatever you have time, you know, like for me, I start with the counting number, because usually when we breathe in, breathe out, we just know it. Know the air from the nose to the belly button. But sometimes we forget because of a lot of thought. Thinking about this, thinking about that. Because the mind never stays still. Never stays still. So when we practice, whatever your mind thinking about, just ignore it at that time, at that moment. Yeah. Focus to the breathe in and breathe out. For me, is really easy. I can remember when the thoughts coming up. I forget. I know I forget. If I count the number, you know, like when breathing, number one, breathe out number one, and imagine to the what is number one? Is it one? Number one and number two. Breathe in one, breathe out one. Breathe in two, breathe out two. Breathe in three, breathe out three. Breathe in four, four, or five. Until number five, and we can stop. We start again. Start one, two, three, four, five, six. And start once again. 1 to 7, 1 to 8, 1 to 9, or 1 to 10. If you think you have thought a lot, you forget it. What numbers is it? But at that time, don't get angry or anger with your mind. Sometimes you feel like you don't like why you have to think a lot. You cannot control about that, about the thought. Start again and again and again until the mind is coming to your feeling. Usually, when you close your eye, you see everything. It's from your eye, it's from your ear, from your nose, from your tongue, from your mouth, from your body. You remember about that, everything. But when you meditate, try to ignore that, like to let it go. Whatever you remember in your eyes, any voice, any sense, or any smell, or any taste, or any touch, try to let it go. And focus to the breathing and breathe out. Later on, day by day, step by step, you will change about your feeling. The feeling will change. Like if you have a lot of anger, the anger is like a calm down. The mind is calm down. When the mind is calm down, you feel like it. You feel really happy about that. About the hello. About the hello. Hello. About the meditation. When the mind is coming, the mind is calm down. You feel like you are hello. You are really happy about that. When you go to work to do everything, you feel like calm down and really happy. Whatever you do, wherever you go, whatever you see, when you see, for example, when you see someone, you always hate that people. But when the mind is calm down, you feel like really, really love about him. You feel like oh, he is the person who was born to be in this world with us. He like us. He like happiness, and he doesn't like hatred. You feel like this, and you are really easy to forgive that one. you know. And later on, when the mind is come closer to be one's mind, we call one's mind, and the mind is open. When the mind is open, that time the loving kindness is open. When the loving kindness arising in your mind, you look everyone, look every people, you feel you like it, you love it, you know. It's like it's like your brother or your uncle, your grandfather. You look at her, look like your sister, your your mother, or your grandmother, or your nephew, your relative. You know that, and our mind really peace, and we love everyone. It look like the same family. Why the love, the mindfulness, that is really important. We have to practice every day. Whatever you feel, you don't like it, you know, you feel it's nothing when you do the first time. You feel like, oh, why I have to do that? Just breathe in, breathe out. It's nothing. But they have many things seen over there. Have to try to practice. So why we like to call a peace? Because everyone practice about this, the peace arising in the mind, you know, in the family, in the city, in the country, or around the world. We should love each other like the same family. You know, today we don't have much time. It's really cold, and you know, you have any question about us about walking for peace? You have any question about that?
Okay, since there's no question, we'll go ahead and give out the peace bracelet. But we have to do it in an organized way. Make sure there's an exit point where we can pass it out to each person, so you know there's a flow. So make sure you guys line up, and we'll start giving out the bracelets to you guys, and hopefully you guys have a blessed, peaceful night. Thank you. We'll hand it over to the sheriff to organize it.
เราแจกกันน้อยเดียว
Yeah, you know.
แจกรถ
Thank you so much.
Everybody back this way.
Huh?
How many are passing out? So we can form two lines.
We have 3 or 4
You got 3 or 4?
or 5. Yeah, just not make a line because it's not many people.
Yeah, many people. Bộ hòn lại, bộ lại. Bộ lại cái đây.
Thank you so much.
Tonight is an undiscovered night, but we still have support. Somehow they find us here, and they can Okay. Thank you for watching.